Hi guys, it's Ray. It is that time. The Butterfly Lane Design subscription box has arrived, so let's get right into it. Please keep in mind, if you order a subscription box, they will not ship until like the 25th of the month, give or take a day or two. And don't order them with anything else or she will cancel your order. They need to be purchased separately. So let's jump into it. And no discount codes on the subscription boxes. So I think that's all the pertinent information. This is from Cowbell Customs. This is a little ruler freebie. Visit our tumbler tool tutorial page for details on how to use our tools. And she does have a code. Hopefully it's okay to share that. And a little sticker for my sticker wall. This is a cute little ruler, custom printed. So that is that for our little extra goodie this month. Very sweet. She has quite a few tools. I've seen her share, if you want to check it out. Let's get into this. This is really pretty right off the bat. Hello there, beautiful friend. I hope this box finds you well and feeling crafty. I know many people will be wondering if I lost my touch with this box. No, I'm just not ready for summer to end or the bright, vibrant colors and patterns that go with it. However, I know many of my subscribers use this box to get ahead of seasons, so I split the box to make me happy and you happy. It's a win. It's not a full-on fall box either. It's more like a soft launch into fall. I went with darker pastel colors, but still brought fall into it. I'm rather happy with the way it turned out and hope you are too. Have a suggestion for box colors or themes, let me know. Thank you. Thank you for your continued support of me and BLD. Jessica. So, interesting. We've never had a split box before. Makes me a little nervous because I don't tend to like do... don't tend to like doing fall tumblers because I end up sitting on them. So, let's just see what we've got. Maybe we'll kind of go through the decals first. This one says you are not broken. Be yourself and don't apologize. Fall is my favorite F word. Thankful, grateful, blessed. Self-care is not selfish. So, let's see what we've got for vinyl. We've got this one. Beautiful pink flowers, which clearly go with this. This is kind of a interesting animal print type. I don't even know what kind of animal to call it. This is gorgeous. Wow, this one. Drippy inks, absolutely gorgeous. This is really pretty, pink fall. Very pretty. A fun patterned one. This one's kind of neat, like a very close and zoomed up chippy pink almost. And this one's cool. And a blue and coral fall floral, which we don't often get this type of color in fall things. So, let's see, obviously that goes with that, but I'm just going to kind of spread them out so we can see them and maybe see what would go with what. I think this is my favorite of the bunch and this. And I think I have some other decals that would go with this if none of these would. Because obviously this would go with this. Possibly these two combined. And this would go with any of those. This could go with those. This could go with any of them. And obviously this could go with this. So, yeah. Very cute. Again, I'm not terribly into the fall things. That's just my personal preference. I actually prefer these boxes to not have any summer season, sometimes winter season, people buy more, but for me, I tend to sit on seasonal cups, so, I mean, I still make them, but because I enjoy making them, so, yeah. Very interesting idea to do a split box. I'm kind of digging it. I like that even if you're not as into the seasonal stuff, but you still make a few, here you go. And then you've still got some more generic or classic ideas, I guess I would say. And I actually really like this saying, even though fall is not, in fact, my favorite F word. But that is it for this one, the June Butterfly Lane Design subscription box with our little freebie from Cowbell Custom. So I will put this link down below as well. And there is a fly flying around my room driving me absolutely crazy. I don't know if you keep seeing it on camera, but that is it. I'm going to work on some of these, so these will be coming very soon. And I will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Cutting back in. I, of course, already have an idea for this one. This vinyl. So, this vinyl is probably going to be the first one we see on a cup. I have to decide if I want to combine the two vinyls, but I think I'm just going to go with this one. So, that'll be coming up shortly.